Hi everyone, my name is Dina from 8 Ounce Coffee, and I'm here to introduce the All Ground collection by FIORENZATO. FIORENZATO is a brand that has been producing specialty coffee grinders for over 80 years now, so they're really reputable and super trustworthy. They designed this collection with the home barista in mind, but it's also suitable for any low volume coffee shops out there. Let's get into the grinders themselves. Starting off, we have the FIORENZATO All Ground grinder. This grinder is great because it grinds for both filter, espresso, and mocha pot. It has a really great touch screen which shows you the icon, and it's also color coded for each of the grinding methods that you want. So it's super easy to use. The burrs on this grinder are actually super special because they're made with an M340 steel, which makes them 5 times more durable than regular burrs. And this is known by their laboratory testing. Another great feature about this grinder is its casing, which was designed by engineers to keep the volume very low on this. So if you're having a late night espresso craving, then this is not an issue. You won't wake anyone up. Moving on to the All Ground scent. Now this one has all the features of the basic All Ground. It also has the integrated scale technology to help with extremely precise brewing. The burr life on this is actually 3,000 kilograms as compared to 1,400 kilograms on the All Ground basic. Let's move on to the All Ground Pro Brew. This one mainly focuses on filter coffee, and it gives you the ultimate filter coffee grinding experience. Another great thing about this grinder is that it has a 0.1 to 0.2 retention rate, so it's super small. Last but not least, it also comes with the same great build quality as the other FIORENZATO All Grounds. So it has the same great casing, and it also has a really great intuitive touchscreen. So FIORENZATO is a company that has mastered their craft, and you can basically do no wrong by purchasing any of these grinders. The most important part of this choice is what characteristics do you need for your grinding needs. If you want to know more about the FIORENZATO, we have a blog post up, and these are also up on our website. Don't forget to follow our Instagram, like this video, share, and save, because it really helps us out. Our social media manager does so much. Till then, see you next time.